welcome back to my video. Today I will explain about question words. Nearly all question words in English start with the same two letters, WH. That's with question why question words are also called WH question. And we ask question words when we want to get specific or more information for someone. Question words help to ask about different things such as people, place, time, reason, or action. And some common question words are who, what, where, which, why, how, what time, was, and when. Okay, the first question word who. We use who when we want to ask about people. Jadi who ini digunakan untuk menanyakan seseorang. For example, who is that? Kemudian jawab my friend Kim. Okay, the next question word what. We use what when we want to ask about things, animals, and action. Jadi penggunaan question word what ini tuh untuk menanyakan suatu benda, hewan, ataupun sebuah tindakan. For example, what is your favorite sport? Kemudian jawab, it is basketball. Okay, the next question word where. We use where when we want to ask about place. Jadi where ini digunakan untuk menanyakan tempat. For example, where are you from? Yang jawab, I'm from Madrid. Okay, next question word when. We use when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Jadi question word when ini digunakan untuk menanyakan waktu atau menanyakan sebuah momen. For example, when do you relax? Menjawab at the weekend. Next question word what time. We use what time when we want to ask about time or hour. Digunakan untuk menanyakan waktu atau spesifik jamnya. For example, what time do you finish work? At 5:30. Next question word which. We ask which when we want to ask about choice or preference. For example, which is your apple, the red one. Jadi ini kata tanya untuk menanyakan sebuah pilihan. Okay, next question word why. We use why when we want to ask about reason. For example, why are you late? This question asks for the reason why someone is late. The answer is because I missed the bus. When we answer a why question, we usually begin our answer with because followed by the reason. Another example, why do you study English? Because I want to improve my communication skills. So, why is used to ask for a reason and the answer usually starts with because. Next, whose. We use whose when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Ini digunakan untuk menanyakan kepemilikan suatu hal atau suatu benda. For example, whose are these keys? Jadi menanyakan tentang milik siapa kunci-kunci ini? Then the answer, they are mine. Next, how. We use how when we want to ask about the way in which something happens. Digunakan untuk menanyakan bagaimana suatu hal terjadi. For example, how are things at work? The answer, boring as usual. With how, there are a number of other expressions that are used in question. For example, how old? How old is used to ask about age. And then how many is used to ask about the number of countable things. How far is used to ask about distance. Next, how much is used to ask about price or the amount of something uncountable. Often is used to ask about frequency. And last, how long is used to ask about length or duration of time. The question or the expression help use ask for more specific information. That's all for my presentation about question word. Thank you for your attention. I hope you found this explanation useful and easy to understand. See you next time.